So it's a reaction compilation. Basically, we have a booth here that has a TV in it and a webcam. So people go in there and it detects when somebody's in there, so it starts the recording. And those recordings get sent to my computer here, and it can record over 20 different videos. So once it hits over 20, it starts re-recording over those videos that first recorded. So then we have 9 different videos set up here. And they're all random, so you never know what you're going to do. So it's always a different composition of reactions. So
well, as you can see, we have some exciting Planet Earth videos playing right now. Also have cat videos, scary horror videos, and just videos of people falling to develop different reactions.